Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we do the calculations of AC and DC system size in solar PV system. To calculate AC system size, first of all we have to learn the terminology. AC, what is the AC system size? So the AC system size is the output capacity after the DC electricity. When the DC electricity is coming from solar PV module after the junction box, when it gets into inverter, okay, then is converted to AC by the inverter. So this involves considering the inverter efficiency and sometimes derating factors. And the formula for inverters, the AC system size in kilowatt is equal to nominal power at 240 volts or maximum AC output power at 240 volts. I'll show you how. For inverters, here I have some spec sheets. Let's say this is Delta M8TL US spec sheet. So here you can see output power AC, nominal power at 240 volt. So in this there is 7680 watt. So this will be our AC system size. And let's say in case of solar edge inverter, here you can see the maximum AC power output is 6000 at 240 volt. So the AC power will be 6000, and if there is volt 208 volt, then the AC system size will be 5000. Here you can see, okay, this is the way you can calculate AC system size in solar PV system for inverters. Let's say for micro inverters, the maximum output, let's say for example the IQ8 plus 72 US has the maximum continuous output power is 290 watt, and determine the total number of micro inverters and their combined AC output. The formula will be total micro inverter output watt is equal to number of micro inverters into micro inverters maximum output watt. Here you can see, here the maximum continuous output power, here this is the IQ8 micro inverters data sheet. Here the maximum continuous output power is for IQ8 plus 72 to US is 290. So let's say for an example we are using 20 number of modules. So 20 times 290 watt, which is equal to 5800 watt. To convert this into a kilowatt, we will divide 5800 by 1000. Okay, 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. So 5800 divided by 1000, so we will get 5.8 kilowatt. So this is the way you can calculate the AC system size for micro inverters. And to calculate DC system size, and so first of all we will understand what is DC system size. The DC system size is the essentially the total capacity of the solar panels. This is calculated by multiplying the number of solar panels by the wattage of each panel. Let's say formula will be DC system size kilowatt equal to number of panels into wattage per panel times 1000. Let's say example, if we use 20 panels each with wattage of 300 watt, then the DC system size will be 20 times 300 divided by 1000. This will be 6 kilowatt. So this is the way we can calculate DC system size. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.